smile, but not for me. Her heart was chained, someone else had the key. I waited years in silent pain, but love from her, it never came. Now she comes back, tears in her eyes, saying she was blind all this time. But why now, when I'm torn inside? Can you feel these tears I hide? You say you love me now, but where were you before? I was dying slowly, begging at your door. My heart was breaking, still you couldn't see. Now you say you're mine, but I'm not sure who to be. I cannot breathe, I cannot move without you now. What can I prove? You chased a dream that wasn't true, while I stood here loving you. You laughed with him, I cried alone. Now you want to come back home, but my soul's already scarred. It's not easy to restart. Tell me, love, is this real, or just a wound you want to heal? You say you love me now, but why this late, when my heart's too tired to carry the weight? Tears keep falling night and day. I cannot live if you walk away. I want to hold you, but I'm afraid of the promises that always fade. If you love me, show me now. Don't just say. Make a vow. You say you love me now, and I want to believe, but broken hearts don't easily receive. Still I whisper to the stars above, I cannot live if this is love.